Trish, what are you doing?
Making a fort.
Oh yeah? Do you need help, Kier? Hey Trish, can you pick up that piece of paper and bring it to me, please? Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Right behind you. Hey, look at the snowplow. Look at the snowplow. See, look, he's shoveling up the snow. See that? Hey,